In this example, we're doing a change in depreciation estimate. Bates acquired a new tractor for $30,000. The company uses straight-line depreciation and estimates a residual value of $6,000 and a 6-year service life. At the end of the third year, the company estimates that the equipment will be useful for an additional 2 years. The total service life is 8 years, rather than the original 6 years. The company also changes the estimated residual value to $3,000. So we've got to calculate first how much depreciation we have taken, and then how much depreciation to take once we do the change. So the first thing we need to do is figure out the cost of the equipment, which was $30,000. Next, the residual value, which was given as the initial amount of $6,000. Lastly, our original useful life is 6 years. So how much depreciation did we take for the first 3 years each year? 30,000 less 6,000 divided by 6 means that we took $4,000 in depreciation each year. The next step is to figure the book value at the end of year 3. We do this by taking the cost of $30,000 and subtracting the initial residual value, the initial accumulated depreciation, the accumulated depreciation we've taken of $12,000. How do we get $12,000? $4,000 a year for 3 years. Cost minus accumulated depreciation gives us the book value of $18,000. From this $18,000, we then need to subtract the new residual value. The new residual value is $3,000. Our $18,000 less our $3,000 gives us a new depreciable cost of $15,000. Of the $15,000, how many years will we divide that out over? Well, we'll take the $15,000 and divide it by 5 years to take $3,000 of depreciation per year for the remaining useful life of the asset. How did I get the 5 years? We were told in the example that the new service life is 8 years, and we have already taken 3 years worth of depreciation. So 8 minus 3 equals our new 5-year useful life. 15,000 divided by 5 tells us that we're going to take $3,000 of depreciation each year for the remaining life.